It's Wednesday, December 16th here in Seoul. Hey everyone, it's Debbie from Korea Now, and these are your daily headlines.
South Korean drug maker Celltrion's antibody treatment for COVID-19 has been approved by Korea's Food and Drug Safety Ministry for use in special cases. With the approval, Celltrion's CTP-59 can be used in patients with life-threatening conditions and with no other means of treatment. But since the drug is still undergoing its third clinical trial, it can only be used to treat critically ill patients at certain hospitals. And as countries like the US and the UK have already begun vaccinations for COVID-19, South Korea announced that it will start securing vaccines in the first quarter of next year. Prime Minister Chung Tae-gyun said Tuesday that authorities will come up with a meticulous plan to bringing the pre-purchased vaccines as soon as possible. Meanwhile, the number of new daily cases of COVID-19 bounced back to over 1,000 here in South Korea, with the country adding 1,078 new cases on Wednesday. Authorities warned that South Korea may have to adopt the highest social distancing scheme of level 3 if the current pace continues. North Korea seems to have begun its regular military drills for the winter season. South Korea's Joint Chiefs of Staff said Tuesday that the drills have yet to be in full swing and no unusual movements have been detected so far. It added that this year's drill could be scaled down due to the coronavirus pandemic, though it depends on the regime's political decision. And as North Korea is expected to hold its 8th Party Congress in January, analysts say Pyongyang will likely try to improve inter-Korean relations before Joe Biden takes office as the new US president, so that it can use its relations with the South as a stepping stone for future dialogue with the US. Other analysts have also said North Korea will likely send a conciliatory message to the US at the Party Congress to leave room for nuclear talks with Washington. Minari, an American film about a family of Korean immigrants chasing the American dream in the 80s, has been sweeping international awards. According to the film distributor Pan Cinemas, Minari won 2 awards from the Boston Society of Film Critics, including Best Supporting Actress for Yoon Yo-jung and Best Original Score for music producer Emily Mosseri. Yoon also won Best Supporting Actress at the Sunset Film Circle earlier this month. On top of that, the movie won 2 awards at the Denver Film Festival, including the Audience Award and Best Actor for Steven Yeun. Amid the winning streak, Minari is widely expected to be nominated for an Oscar in January.
And those are your top stories. For full-length articles, you can check out our official website, linked down below. As always, make sure to subscribe to Korea Now for more daily updates.